my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you my makeup collection. Many of you wanted me to show you my makeup collection and I had to rearrange my vanity. So I decided to film this video today. Before starting the video, let me tell you that since I'm a beauty blogger, I have to test and swatch different makeup products and try new trends. So I have to buy more makeup products. So my makeup collection may look a little more than what it should be. Although I have seen huge makeup collection of other beauty bloggers and my makeup collection may look really small if you compare. But personally, I feel that I have more than what is required. And when I was not a beauty blogger, I used to just own less than 10% of what I own now. So if you're not a beauty blogger and you are watching this video, let me tell you that you don't need all of these makeup products for you. You just need few basic products and you are good to go. So this was my part of disclaimer, and yeah, let's begin. So first, let me show you my eye makeup collection. I usually arrange all of my makeup in these kind of baskets. I have these kajals with me. This one is Maybelline Colossal Kajal Black. Then I have this Plum Angel Eyes Kohl Kajal and Plum Nature Studio Kohl Kajal Black. I have this Colossal Kajal which is old. Then I have this black NYX Kohl pencil, and I have this brown Lakme Iconic Kohl pencil, and I have green Iconic Kohl pencil. Then I have this NYX brown Kohl pencil, and my favorite is this Maybelline gel liner. I totally love it. I also love Plum Nature Studio Kajal. It just stays for so many hours. Oh, and I also have this Essence White Kajal pencil. It just changes the whole look and my eyes look big when I use this. I also have this Lakme Kajal. This was my first Kajal and I bought it for my 100 rupees makeup challenge, but I never uploaded that video, and if you want me to take that challenge, let me know. Now these are all my eyeliners. I have L18 blue liner, then I have L18 black liner. I have this, I don't know, I bought it from a local store. This one is green liner. I bought it again for under 100 rupees challenge. And this one is golden liner, and I have this Deborah Milano 24O Duo eyeliner in the shade blue, and I have these two eyeliner liquid liners by MUA. One is the golden shade, another one is the blue shade. Then I have this Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner. I totally love this one. It's so buttery and smooth. And I have this Maybelline Hyper Glossy Liquid Liner in the shade Electroshock. And my favorite felt liner by L'Oreal. This one is Super Liner Perfect Slim in the shade Black. And I also have this NYX white liner, and I have these three mascara. One is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, another one is L'Oreal False Lash Butterfly Mascara, and one is this Maybelline Colossal Mascara. I love this one. This just gives the most natural fluttery lashes. For my brows, I have three products. One is my favorite Nacho Brow Kit. This one is brow powder and brow wax kit. Another one is this ABH Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. And then I have this Color Brow Pencil. It has a spoolie and pencil on both ends. And I also have a kajal sharpener. This one is by Plum, and I have my eyelash curler. This one is by Vega. Now moving on to eyeshadow palettes and eyeshadow glitters and other products for eyes. So I usually keep them in my Glowbox box. So I have lashes. These are all by Ardell. One is this Giselle lashes, then I have Demi Pixies lashes, and I have Wispy's lashes. And I ordered these lashes from Amazon recently. I bought many beauty, makeup and lifestyle products, so if you want a haul on that, please let me know in the comment section below. Then I have this another lash set. This is by Forever 21. I don't really like this one. Also I have this eyelash glue by Ardell. Next I have this Deborah Milano 2-in-1 long lasting eyeshadow with primer. This one is in the shade 5. Then I have this Violet Voss Cosmetics glitter in the shade golden. This is little chunky and I rarely use this. Then I have this Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art Stick. It has got shimmer and eyeshadow. Then I have this NYX eyeshadow primer. Love this one. And I have this overshadow by the Balm Cosmetics. This one is in the shade You by I'll Fly. This is a nice coppery shade pigment. For my glitters, I have this NYX glitter primer. It's just really amazing. Then I have this MUA eye dust. This one is in the shade 4, and Makeup Revolution mono eyeshadow in the shade Delicious. I also have these pigments. I bought it from a local store and I totally love these pigments, these shimmer pigments. They are so pigmented and they were under 100 rupees. Next I have this Maybelline The Nudes palette. I also have this MUA Makeup Academy Glamour Nights eyeshadow palette, and I have this L'Oreal LA palette Go. Sonam Kapoor used this palette for her Cannes makeup. And I have this Makeup Revolution what is this, Redemption palette in the shade Acid Brights. And I also have this Morphe eyeshadow palette. This one is in the shade 35U. Next, moving on to the foundation. I've kept my foundation in another basket like this. So the first foundation that I have is this NYX Stay Matte but not flat foundation, and this one is in the shade Soft Beige. Then I have this Maybelline Dream Satin foundation, and this one is in the shade B4. Let me tell you, I have like crazy skin, so my skin tone varies a lot. Like some days it will be like really bright and some days it will be little dull, so I have different shades of foundation to match with my skin tone mood. So next I have this Bobbi Brown Moisture Rich foundation. This one is in the shade Beige 3. And I also have this Lakme Absolute Mousse. I totally love this one if I am going to mall or going for shopping, or if I'm going in some small function. So I usually apply this mousse. Then I have this Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation. This one is in the shade Natural Marble. Next I have this L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Foundation. This one is in the shade 150. Then I have these two shades of Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. I love using this foundation in the shade 128 because it matches perfectly to my skin. This one, the shade 115, is like little light for my skin tone. Then I have these BB creams. This one is LA Girl Pro BB cream, and Lakme 95cc Transforming Cream, and the Body Shop All-in-One BB cream. This one is the most expensive BB cream that I have. This is worth rupees 1595, almost 1600, and I really don't like this one. Actually, I shot a video before when I compared this Lakme 95cc cream and this all-in-one BB cream, because they both of them are color transforming cream, and I made a comparison video, but due to some reason I didn't upload it. I love Body Shop products and I swear by the quality and their effectiveness, but this really didn't work for me. It just gives a like odd orangish tone to the skin, and it's more like a moisturizer, so yeah, I'm really disappointed. I also have this Pond's White Beauty BB Plus cream, and I also keep a bottle of moisturizer in my foundation basket. This one is by Innisfree. This is Orchid Enriched Cream. Next basket that I have is filled with highlighters and blushes. So I have this MAC Light Skip 8 highlighter. This one is my favorite highlighter, and it just gives a really nice natural glow. Next I have this NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. This one is in the shade Sunbeam. I really like using this under my foundation. Then I have this Color Bar Spotlight Illuminating Lotion, and it has pink undertone, so it gives a really nice flushed glowing look to the skin. And I also have these two DIY highlighters. I love using these highlighters when I'm going out to a nearby mall or shopping. For my blush, I have this Essence Silky Touch blush. This is my favorite blush. I use it most of the time. And this one is in the shade 60, Life's a Cherry. Then I have this L'Oreal blush, True Match blush. This one is in the shade 02. It has shimmer particles. And then I have this new addition to my blush collection. It's not a collection, I just had two blush before. So I have this Mio Cheeky blush. I got it in my glow box. Then I have this The Manizer Sisters highlighter palette, and it has three highlighters inside. One is the Mary Luminizer, then second is Cindy Luminizer, and the third one is Betty Luminizer. I love using Betty Luminizer the most because it gives a really nice golden glow to the skin, which I absolutely adore. Then I have this miscellaneous basket. I have this compact powder by Maybelline. This one is Maybelline All Clear Glow All-in-One. This is absolutely amazing. You can just use it without applying foundation and you're good to go. Then I have this NYX HD finishing powder in the shade Banana. Then I have this Makeup Revolution Ultra Contour palette, and it's broken, but I'm not going to throw it away. I'll use it as much as I can. So I have multiple contour shade, and then I have this Banana shade powder. Then I have three highlighters inside this palette. I also have this Maybelline Super Fresh Compact. Then I have this MAC Conceal and Correct Duo Color Corrector. And I have this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. And my favorite is this L'Oreal True Match Concealer in the shade Light Medium. This is really good. Then I have this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. I totally love this one. It gives a really nice finish to the skin, and it makes the skin really silky and soft, and you can just wear it and apply some mascara and lip balm and you're good to go. Then I have this Pro concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I use this as a contour liquid. Then I have this finishing spray by MAC. This is like my holy grail product, and it just takes the makeup to another level. Then I have this Deborah Milano 24 Hour Velvet Wet and Dry eyeshadow. This is in brown shade, and it's so soft and buttery. I like to use it as contour powder. I have this Color Bar Perfect Primer. This is also a really good primer. Now I have the heaviest box. These are all my lipsticks. I just had two lipsticks when I was not a beauty blogger. One was a pinkish shade lipstick and another was orangish shade lipstick, and that's it. I have 4 Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse lipsticks. The shades are Blush Velvet, Burgundy Lush, Pink Plush, Rose Touch. Then I have this Shambo Transfer Proof Liquid Lipstick. I had 2 Extreme Wear lipsticks, but I don't know where I have kept another lipstick. So this one is in the shade 403. It's non-transferable. Then I have this L'Oreal Paris Orange Tempo liquid lipstick. Like, this is not a matte liquid lipstick. Then I have this matte mini lipstick. I ordered it from Amazon. This one is by Arisia Makeup, I don't know. And this was really inexpensive. It was worth rupees 200 or something, but it's like really good. It's a matte lipstick. Then I have 2 MAC lipsticks. One is Ruby Woo, another one is Lustering. I love Ruby Woo lipstick, and everyone does. So, and I'm not a big fan of this Lustering lipstick, so I rarely use this one. Then I have these different NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 1, 5 and 20. I have NYX, what is this? Extra Creamy Lipstick in the shade 545 Hero. Then I have this another NYX lipstick in the shade Spellbound. Then I have this NYX matte lipstick in the shade Siren. And I have this NYX lip top coat in the shade 1. This is the vamped up lip top coat and it's black. I don't know, when I read the description about this product, I was like really excited to try this out, but when I tried it, I don't know, it didn't work for me. Everything just looks grey when I apply the top coat using this. So I don't know, maybe I'm not able to use it in the right way. So if you have used this and you know the right way, please let me know in the comment section below, because by far I really think that I have wasted my money, and it's worth rupees 625. It's not that cheap. And then I have Maybelline Color Show lipsticks. I have 3 shades. So one is this orange icon. This is a gorgeous orange shade. Then I have this pop of pink, and it's a really like nude pinkish shade. I really love the texture of Color Show lipstick, but I don't really like the texture of this particular shade, pop of pink. And then I have this Rock the Coral lipstick from the same Color Show range, and this is my go-to lipstick. I really love using this, and I have applied it right now. This looks so natural. Then I have these 3 lipsticks by Maybelline, different range. This one is the Bold Matte. This is in the shade Matte 3. This is orangish shade. Then I have this Fatal Red in the shade 530. This is a gorgeous deep red shade. I also have 3 L18 Color Pops matte lipstick. I bought it for the 100 rupees makeup challenge. I have this Berry Dance lipstick. This is like really deep berry shade. And then I have Coral Dose, again orange shade. I also have this Prom Pink. This is a really nice shade and it's really long lasting. I have used it multiple times. Then I have this L'Oreal lipstick. I don't know the shade number. This is a really nice nude shade. I have used it in my Maya inspired makeup video. It has really nice moisturizing properties. So when I don't want to apply my lip balm, I usually apply this when I'm traveling. Then I have this L'Oreal liquid lipstick, and this one is in the shade 103. This is again a nude shade and it looks really pretty. Then I have these 2 lipstick by Freedom Cosmetics. This is in the shade Dated. I have not used it yet. And then I have this Naked Truth. I have this one liquid lip plumper. This is by MUA and it really plumps up the lip, and I love using this one. And I have this purple lipstick. I got this one in my glow box. Then I have this Revlon Black Cherry lipstick. Then I have this Lakme Enriched Satin lipstick, and this is in the shade R352, and it's really cheap. It's not that expensive, but the quality of this lipstick is really good, and they have like multiple shades in this range. So, and it's really long lasting. So if you are looking for a budget lipstick, so you can definitely try this one. Then I have this Pure Passion lipstick by Studio West, and it's a really gorgeous red shade. And then I have this Lakme 925 creaseless lipstick in the shade Red Coat, and it's like really gorgeous red shade. Then I have this Color Bar High Tea lipstick. This is a really nice nude brown shade. Then I have these 4 lip pencils. One is this Maybelline Color Sensational lip pencil in the shade Hollywood Red. Then I have Stellar Pink. Then I have this NYX lip pencil in the shade I don't know, this is a red lip pencil. And I also have this Color Bar pencil in the shade Nude. I then have this lip peel in the shade Cherry Red. I got it from Amazon, and you just apply it and it will dry into a peely texture. Then you have to peel it and your lips will be tinted. I have this Body Shop lip and cheek stain. This is a old packaging and it's almost over, but I'll buy another tube of this because I really love using this. Then I have like 9 Sugar Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. I have swatched and reviewed all these lipsticks in a separate video, so I have applied it in a daylight and an artificial lighting condition so that you can judge better. Now moving on to the brush collection that I have Real Techniques brushes, and then I have BS Small brushes and a few other brushes that I bought from Amazon. I will link everything down in the description box. I usually wash my brushes every week and they are my new eyeshadow brushes. Bought it from Amazon. Then I have these different eyeshadow brushes and I usually keep it in another, what do you call it, storage. So I have spoolie brushes. I have 2 spoolie brush. I have like different eyeshadow brushes and contour brushes and concealer brushes. So there are different brushes. And then I keep my beauty blender in one part of this storage. I keep my tweezers and cotton buds in another partition. So yeah, I guess that's it for my makeup collection video. I really hope you enjoyed watching all of my makeup. So yeah, if you like this video, please hit that like button. It means a lot to me, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.